more is really fun.
Here's Lila Bean on her Halloween, enjoying the spoils. Bean, what are you eating there, babe? Is that a Butterfinger?
And the first day she walked by herself.
That's right, October 31st, 2008, she walked today. Didn't get it on film, but I think it's going to be non-stop now.
More? You want
Look at that,
more?
you got one in your hand, she wants Mama to open another one.
More? You have Mama's sweet tooth. You eat that one.
You like the chocolate, huh? Boy, it's going to take you 2 or 3 days to eat all them candy bars.
More?
Should you open all those?
Someone's gonna get some
You
really
should just stick your face right in the bowl, Lila.
That one? You like the Butterfingers, huh?
Open that, Mama.
No, you finish this one here. This one's for eating.
Let's see if we can get some better lighting in here. Candy for dinner tonight.
Pretty much.
Halloween.
Oui.
Still got her tail on. No ears anymore.
Oh, here comes the candy meltdown.
What are you doing over there? You climbing the walls? Literally? I have a Family Guy in the background here. Thank you. Lila, what are you doing? This seems random.
She doesn't want to be on camera. We'll lick her down.
She always does this when you put the camera on. She turns her back. Yeah, she comes back. Yeah, she'll come back for the candy, though.
What's she doing?
You want to stand up again and walk?
Meow, meow. Yeah. You got some grubby fingers. Yeah, some chocolate fingers.
And pet the doggy?
Oh, look how cool.
Is that your tail? Yeah. Yeah.
Whose tail?
Okay, this video's getting long, Lila. Let's say our goodbyes. No more candy.
You're looking rough, kid.
Get rid of those fang things again.
She doesn't want them.
Doesn't like that thing? Alright, gotta get around the other side. Alright, Bean, say goodbye.
Come on over here and say hi to your mama. Huh? Mwah. Mwah.
Bye-bye.